Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to generate Amazon affiliate links on your mobile device. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Firstly, to be able to generate Amazon affiliate links, you need to be signed up to the Amazon affiliate program called Amazon Associates. So just go and search for the website and you can quite easily sign up. What's important to know is you need to sign up for different regions. So for example, if I click in the top left in these 3 bars at the minute, I'm signed up for the United States version of Amazon. So you can be signed up for multiple versions. But what that means is that when you generate the links, you need to go to those specific websites. So for example, I'm on the Amazon US app right now. So therefore, I'll be generating links for Amazon US. But anyways, now that's out of the way, then all you want to do is go and search for the product you want to go and promote. In this case, I'm just going to go and search for a microphone. Let's say I want to go and promote this one here. I'd go and click on it, and then all I need to do to go and generate the affiliate link is then go and click on the share button in the bottom right of the product image. So when I go and click there, you can then choose your associate ID and the tracking ID you want to use. You've probably only got one, and then just click on Copy Associates Link and that's it. You've now copied that link, and you could then go and use it on your website to go and promote the product, and you'll be able to go and get a commission if somebody goes and purchase it through your link. So that's basically how you can generate Amazon affiliate links on your mobile device. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.